replacing the OEM one. Stage 2 something intake, I don't know. This is everything that's going to be installed. Got a nice little blue filter, yo. It's also California legal. That's a plus. Don't want to lose that though. Done. Quick update, the exhaust has finally been dropped. Also went ahead and started on this. I took this out. The secondary air pump is actually kind of complicated. I can't really get these out of the way, so I'm gonna just take the whole thing out one piece. Yeah, it's been a while now. I just ate, but I managed to get rid of all this. I think I already talked about it. And I got to the fucking, I don't know what that's just called. But now we get to the fun part, which is unbolting the headers, and I don't know, I think that's gonna be kind of hard. Finally got them off. But damn, look at that difference. No more cats on these, and then these are actually way lighter too, so I don't know how much I'm gonna actually gain.